you guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to finally show you guys how I get these super nice voluminous wand curls on blow dried hair, and I will be using products from Over the Top Hair Collection. I'll be using their new and improved luxury hair products. So just keep watching if you're interested. So this is what my hair started off like. It had been in a low bun and it needed to be washed and conditioned. So Over the Top Hair Collection has two shampoos. The Cleanse Me shampoo is meant to invigorate and cleanse your hair and scalp, and then the Grow Me shampoo is meant to strengthen and condition. So that is the shampoo that I decided to use just because since I will be blow drying and using a wand curl, so using heat, I want to make sure my hair is strengthened so that I don't damage it. So I was not at my house when I filmed this video. I was at my friend's, and the way that her shower is set up, I would not be able to do my typical shower scene. So that's why you guys just see me spraying down my hair with water. I'm going to actually spray a lot of it to really get it, damp, or not damp, to get it drenched so that, it's wet enough for me to apply my shampoo. And the Grow Me shampoo, which I told you guys I'll be using, this is made with vitamin B5, biotin, and botanical extracts, and it's also paraben, sulfate free, color and straightener safe. So the Grow Me shampoo, this was super duper creamy, you guys. I have used Over the Top Hair Collection in the past, which I'll put some videos down below, but it's black owned, mommy owned, obviously woman owned, so I definitely support the brand. And putting this shampoo on my hair, I could see that this was giving me salon quality products. It was just so creamy. I loved the smell. It is made with cucumber extract, and to me it definitely smells like cucumber. It also just felt super moisturizing on my hair, you guys. Like, it's something about a moisturizing shampoo that just makes me happy. So I did make sure to work this into my scalp. I also worked it along the length of my hair, which y'all can see it had so much slip. My curls were popping with this. It was just a really good experience. So when I did rinse it off, my hair was left nice, soft, and manageable. So this was a really good shampoo. So next, I'm going to use the Grow Me conditioner and the Rebuild Me 60-second treatment. So I just sprayed my hair down a little bit more just because I felt like my hair was getting a bit dry. But the Grow Me conditioner obviously goes with the shampoo that I just showed you guys. So it is meant to strengthen and condition. This stuff smelled really good as well. It was super creamy, super softening, and just made my hair feel so silky, you guys. Like, this stuff felt so good. So I used some just to kind of coat my hair, and then I went back in with a little bit more to help with detangling, which literally was a breeze just because of how much slip this had. It's made with amino acids, proteins, all of which are going to help strengthen the hair. So I put that on, but then I went on top of it with the Rebuild Me 60-second treatment. Now this is supposed to rebuild and strengthen dry damaged hair in just 60 seconds. It was so creamy. It smelled really good, like, I don't know, either cake or icing. It was something sweet. But this on top of the conditioner, which was already super moisturizing, was just, it sent my hair in heaven. I swear to you guys, this stuff was so good. So since my hair was already detangled, I kind of just put some in my hand, applied it to my hair, and then did the exact same thing to the other side. So So since you only have to leave this on for a minute, I just went ahead and rinsed this right on out when I was done. But I am just going to show you guys what my hair is looking like. It was feeling so soft, silky, it had shine, like it was just everything. So this is my hair when I rinsed it out, and my hair just felt so good, you guys. The shampoo, the conditioner, the treatment, all of those just really made my hair feel and look good. So I could really tell a difference. So next, you're going to see me using the Hydrate Me Leave In. This is supposed to help with easily detangling your hair. It also is going to condition your hair without weighing it down. So it does have, like, you know, the spray-on watery type of consistency, but since I'm going to be blow drying my hair using my wand, I really don't need or even want anything that's super heavy. So this was perfect for, you know, the style I was going to be doing. Then once I applied that, I went on top of it with the Protect Me Thermal Blow Dry Spray. This is made with keratin protein and burdock root extract. So this is obviously a heat protectant. It's going to protect against blow dryers, curling irons, any type of hot styling tool. So I just sprayed this, and you really don't need too much of this, but it's just going to help you, you know, prevent any type of damage. And then also you can use this to like set your style. So now I'm just blow drying my hair. I did use my favorite Revlon blow dryer brush. You guys have been seeing me use this for years now. But I first started off with cool air because, you know, I'm trying to reduce the amount of heat I was using. So I started off with cool hair, and then once I felt like my hair was stretched enough, I did go in with the, I think, the low setting, just so that I could get it a bit more straighter and make sure it was completely dry. And y'all, these products made my hair feel so soft and moisturized, and it also, I feel like, made my hair get straight without like too much work. I really didn't even need to go in with the low heat setting. That was just me trying to be extra. But I'm gonna fast forward through this because y'all know how to blow dry hair. So this is my hair completely blow dried, you guys, and like I mentioned, my hair felt really good. I probably do need a little bit of a trim, but we are not going to worry about that today. So I'm just going to go get ready real quick because I was going to a wine tasting, and then I'm going to get my wand curl and start putting these curls in this hair. So I am about to start wand curling my hair. I'll have details on the wand curl, but it was at 360 degrees, and it kind of is just up to you how long you want to leave it on. If you want a super duper tight curl, then you definitely want to leave it on a bit longer. I would say maybe like, I don't know, 10 seconds. But if you want something that's like going to be a bit looser, kind of like I like, then just leave it on for about 5 seconds. It's just going to give you a curl, but it's going to be a bit more elongated. Like, I still want to show off my length. So yeah, that's just what I'm doing. Another thing I did want to mention is that I am doing, I don't know, I guess medium sections. You don't want the section to be too big because then you're going to have to leave it on longer so that the heat can, you know, get all of the hair. But I also didn't do it too small because I just feel like it's not necessary. It's going to take too much time to be trying to do all these tiny pieces. So now I'm at the top. You see I'm curling this section away from my face, which I definitely recommend. I just feel like your hair stays in place because for some odd reason, the rest of my hair I decided to curl towards my face, and I found that my hair kept like falling in my face, and it just, I don't know, it just wasn't falling right. So I did have to actually add bobby pins so that it would lay the right way. So make sure you curl away from your face. So this is what the curls are looking like, all wanded up. You guys can see those pieces that kind of aren't laying the way I want, but like I said, I bobby pinned them. But now I'm just going to separate these curls for some volume. Now I didn't go piece by piece by piece like I would with like a twist out or a braid out. I kind of just pulled the curls apart and like shook. I wasn't really worried about not having any frizz or anything because I feel like with this style the frizz kind of makes it, you know, it helps with the volume and all that. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that. Now last but not least, I did do my edges with the Stronghold Edge Control from Over the Top Hair Collection. I for the most part did it off camera just because y'all know I be struggling with my edges and I really wanted them to look decent. But you see right here I did use the edge control. It gives a super firm hold, you guys. It's not greasy, it's not like hard to where it's like gonna damage your edges or anything like that. So this was my edges. So this is the final look. Definitely let me know if you guys are liking it. Wand curls on blow dried hair is just easily becoming one of my favorite styles to do. It's quick, it's easy, the volume, the length, I love it. So I enjoyed all of these products I used from Over the Top Hair Collection. I definitely recommend you guys to check out the brand, try some of the products. I do have a discount code, which is Hazel. You'll get 15% off on the website. So I'll link that down below with, you know, all the information. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, you guys. And I'll see you in my next video.